संसद में पेश हुआ वक्फ संशोधन बिल 40 संशोधन के साथ लोकसभा में पेश हुआ है ये बिल। 1923 के कानून को खत्म करने की तैयारी।
The rules states need to have their powers. Please do not take powers away. And equity before law. Sir, this country is about unity with diversity. Any country, look at what is happening in Bangladesh, sir. There is so much pain in Bangladesh. We are all very concerned about everything that's going on. So my thing is minorities should be protected in every country because they are lesser in numbers. So I think it's our moral duty to make sure, please, the government should clarify what is the intent of the government for and what is the timing. ऐसा क्या हुआ है वक्फ बोर्ड में कि अभी आपको ये बिल लाना है? Sir, we object. Please withdraw this bill. Let's have more detailed discussions. There are committees which are forming. Let's discuss it and only then bring a bill which is fair and which is just in this country, because in this constitution every citizen matter and counts. That's what rightfully is given to every citizen, sir. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्यगण, एक बार फिर चेक कर लें। इस बिल को 6 तारीख को सर्कुलेट कर दिया था। आप पोर्टल पे चेक कर लें, क्योंकि आप सदन के बारे संसद के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं विषय को क्लियर कर रहा हूं। आपने कहा कि ये बिल सीधा मीडिया में आया और हमें सर्कुलेट नहीं किया, इसलिए कह रहा हूं मैं आपको। मीडिया में क्या क्या बात आती है इसके लिए हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। हमारी जिम्मेदारी इतनी है कि बिल सर्कुलेट 6 तारीख को हुआ है। एमपी अब्बू समदानी,
इटी मोहम्मद बशीर।
नहीं, आप बोलेंगे, बोले दोनों में से एक बोलेंगे, कोई बोलना नहीं।
Myself.
अच्छा
Sir, thank you very much, sir. I vehemently oppose the very presentation of this bill. As correctly pointed out by my elder friends, this is a clear violation of the Constitution. It is a violation of the fundamental right enshrined in our Constitution. Article 14, Article 15, Article 25, Article 26, and Article 30. Sir, this bill is ill-motivated, sir. You have got dirty agenda with you.
Yes.
Sir, if this bill is passed, the entire boxing system will be collapsed, sir. That is going to happen. Similarly, sir, various bodies, Waqf Board and Waqf Council, all these bodies will have no existence. They will not have any value, because all the powers vested with these bodies are captured by the government and handed over to the district collectors. It's a funny thing, sir. Similarly, sir, this will spoil